Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video we are going to see the creative side of Canva, and we will see how you can come up with some unique and creative ideas in Canva. I'll show you some of the examples for it. So if this is the first video you're watching on our channel, check out the complete playlist from the description, and without wasting any time, let's get started with this video. Now let me show you some examples on the creativity. We have learned all the tools in Canva. Now let's see some of the examples how you can creatively apply each one of them in different scenarios. For example, let's say if I choose a Facebook post, and now we have different templates here. Now it totally depends on you how you want to be more creative with this post templates. For example, if I choose any of these templates, for example, this one which says fresh from the fields, if you want to include not just the picture but a video of the fresh vegetables, then what you can do is you can just delete that, go to the elements and click on videos, and here you will find, let's say, vegetables, right? Vegetables, and you can include any video here as well if you want to include that. It depends on your size what you feel is a best fit, but you can choose any of these. I prefer the portrait in this type of format, so we have landscape and portraits as well. So let's say if I choose a landscape version, so this is my landscape version. Now it will it might show like this as well, so it is your choice whether you want to include it as a video or a static picture. So you can share these kind of posts as well. So see how cool it looks like this, and you can just share it as a video, download it and share on your social media pages. Okay, let's try the same thing on some other horizontal post. I'll add a new page. Now how you can be more creative with this simple option, let me show you how. For example, if I am creating something like a cool desktop wallpaper, let's say I actually wanted a horizontal kind of thing. Now if I grab the same thing, I'll go to photos and right here iPhone. Now let's scroll down and let's say I want this image, but I want to remove the background. So first of all, let's remove the background. I'll go to edit image and again background remover. So let's reduce the size and position it anywhere you want. Now let's say if I go to elements and I'll grab a simple grid. You can find it in the grid section like this and drag it over here. And let's see if I want to adjust it not on the background but on the front. So let's bring forward and let's adjust that on the mobile screen so that it looks like it is flashing on the mobile screen like this. Now again, let's go to our videos. I'll go in the videos section and right here anything like landscape. Now for example, if I click on free, you can apply filters from here. Now for example, I want to record a scene. I will take this photo, I will take this video here and adjust that, send backwards and send backwards again, and then fit the same video here as well. So now if I click on share and present, it will look something like this. So it looks like, although it's not adjusted properly, you can use some different mobile image for that, but it creates an illusion of the scene that this person is on the beach recording this scene. So that looks very, very cool. So you can experiment and be creative with these ideas. Now I've used a different picture just to show you that how the perfect image would fit in this scene. because that hand and the mobile image was not proper. I prefer this kind of scene in this area where the hand is holding the mobile and it's in the recorder mode, so that the grid would perfectly fit in and can show you the illusion of a recording of the scene, so you can see how cool that looks, right? So this is nothing but your creative thinking on how you can use certain tools to create different things. So that's it. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified of all the future videos. This is Saad signing off from today's video. Take care.